Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on Kargil Diwas, which is on 26th of July. Our soldiers, the keeper of our nation, keeping their life at their palm for the sake of motherland, is peculiar to none other than the brave soldiers of our army. And we all are grateful to our Indian army. How bravely they all carry out their duties. Dear soldiers, on the very special occasion of Kargil Vijay Diwas, we would say that you all are very special. Your love for the country, struggle, braveness, and heroism can never be matched by others. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi from class 8. Kargil Vijay Diwas is the day on which the Indian Army won the war against Pakistan's army in 1999 and recaptured the peaks of Kargil from the Pakistani infiltrators. It is the day to remember the heroes of Indian Army who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Today on 26th of July, we pay tribute to commemorate the 23rd year of victory of the Indian Armed Forces of the Kargil War. Let us start today's morning assembly offering prayer. Let us pray for all those who are guarding our nation and pray to give them strength, courage, and power so that they may defend the nation from external aggression and internal threats. Now, everybody get ready for prayer. After prayer and pledge. True that nationalism entails laying down one's life for one's country, willing to give up one's life for welfare of all. Dear all, if we are safe and secure at our homes, it is because our soldiers' selfless service. And Kargil Vijay Diwas reminds us of all our heroes who stand strong to keep us safe. Those brave hearts are remembered on this day and every other day. And let us move to thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite on stage Pratima from class 7th. Good morning to all. My name is Pratima. Thought of the day. The true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Pratima. On Kargil Vijay Diwas, we pay homage to all those who lost their lives in Kargil protecting our nation. Their bravery motivates us every single day. Our tribute to the heroes. I request to principals and all the teachers to come on the stage and pay homage to the Kargil martyrs by lighting the candles. And now let's we all stand up to pay respect to the martyrs, and we will stay silent for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, thank you to all of you. No one wins a war. There are different levels of loss, but nobody triumphs. The outcome of this war was disastrous. A lot of parents lost their sons, and India lost a lot of brave soldiers. My dear friends, the Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and along the line of control. Let us know more about the history of Kargil Vijay Diwas. And I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Kashish ma'am to deliver a speech on Kargil Vijay Diwas. Thank you very much, ma'am. Dear friends, despite facing the odds, Indian soldiers showed exemplary courage. They killed, they attained martyrdom, but didn't back and didn't let the country down. Indian soldiers displayed most conspicuous bravery, indomitable courage, and devotion to duty, and many of them made the supreme sacrifices in the highest traditions of the Indian Army. What were they feeling that time? Can we imagine? Just think a while. And with this, I'm inviting on stage boys from class 8th and 9th for a patriotic song. Thank you very much to all of you. Every year, the 26th of July is the day to remember the Kargil martyrs and to recognize the supreme sacrifice that our valiant soldiers made to uphold and defend the nation's sovereignty. Next, let us attempt the quiz and know more about the Kargil Vijay Diwas. And I would like to invite on stage Tapsi from class 8 for GK quiz. And after quiz and national anthem, dear all, the soldier above all other people prays for peace, for he must suffer and bear the deepest wounds and scars of war. My dear friends, we must think about the mental framework of a soldier posted in our borders. Let us all give a grand salute to all the fighters serving our nation. And here we end today's morning assembly. Jai Hind.